Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nidhi, and if you're here for the first time, then please do hit that subscribe button and also that little bell and be a part of my cat fam. That would be like really amazing and it would be like awesome. I am so excited for this video. Okay, so let's begin with today's video. I know you guys have already read the title, which is about the Me Now products that are newly launched, and I don't know if they're newly launched, but I got them like for the first time and my eyes were sparkling when I saw this, and I really wanted to have all of that for myself before I put it up on the website. So all the products that you see in this video will be available on the website the moment I upload this video. Like obviously on Thursday 6:30 p.m. you will be able to shop all these products, probably before that as well. So you would be able to shop all of this, and I think these products are really amazing. I do have these in limited quantity, so if at all it goes out, I would restock, but that might just take a couple of days. So just have patience and you will get all of the stuff, because that stuff is amazing. I have not been excited for makeup item for a really long while. Like, there have been a lot of new launches from Lakme, Maybelline and a lot of big brands, and you know, I deal in all these affordable brands, and I was like really happy when I saw all this stuff. So I really wanted to share all of this with you because these are really amazing and bang on quality products and total value for money, and I'm sure you guys would like it. So without further ado, what's going on? So without further ado, let's just get started with this haul from Me Now. Also, the prices of all the products will be available on the screen, so I will not be mentioning about the prices. You can also check them out in the description box. I'll also mention the direct links in the description box so that you can find them really easily. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that I was really excited about was this cushion foundation, and this is the Me Now Pro. Like, this is the entire range is from Me Now Pro. You know, every brand has this Pro range and the normal range. So Pro range is obviously slightly expensive than the normal range, and this whole range is actually the Pro range. So this is the Me Now Pro BB cushion. So this is the Me Now Pro BB Cushion Foundation 5-in-1 Smart Multi Benefits, and this is how it looks like. Like, you can totally make it out with the packaging that it is going to be awesome, and it says that it's whitening, it's sun protection, it's soothing effect, it's waterproof, it's sweat proof, and it's corrects the skin tone. I picked up in the shade 04. I know why, but I just picked up because actually I cannot make out what shade it is, because it comes in this thing which you have to open up and you have to place it in this thing. So this is the, I'll just open up. I am going to open it up with you guys. So yeah, this is actually the cushion case where you will be putting your cushion foundation right in here. Look at the packaging, it's so amazing, you guys. Just look at that. So the cushion foundation goes in here, and you have the mirror. So I am going to open it up with you guys. Okay, so this is how the packaging of the cushion foundation is. I think I have to get it from here. And this is the foundation. How cute. Okay, so we have to just put this thing into this thing. Okay, so finally I managed to put it in this thing. So this goes in there, and you get the, this is so nice. Just look at that, how cute. It's so blue, it's blue, and it's so cute, and it's so good quality, like seriously. And you have to open this up and you get your foundation. I'm going to open this up as well. Oh, wow. I never tried a cushion foundation because I always thought that they are so expensive. Like, I think almost all are above 800 rupees, and I am so excited about this. Just look at that. Okay. Wow. This is so good. I am looking forward to try this out. Let me know guys if you want to see a complete review dedicated to this Me Now Cushion Foundation. I am in love with the packaging. Just look at that. It's just so on point. It's like black, and you open it up, you get a really good quality mirror in that. Like it's like really good quality mirror. The sponge is really amazing, and you open it up and you get the cushion foundation, which is awesome. Like after the foundation comes the powder, and you guys know I love my ADS banana powder. I did a complete review on that. If you want to check that out, it's in the description box and also on the screen. So I did a complete review on that, and now I got the Mina Pro luxury banana powder, and look, this is how it looks like. It says that it's finely milled with superb texture. Ben Nye luxury powder, smooth skin while lightening, enhancing. Okay, so don't read that. This is in the cushion foundation. You get how much of the product? You get 12 grams of the product, and this is 15 grams of the product, which is amazing. But packaging, you guys, does it remind you of something, a really high-end product? When I saw this, I was like, instantly, it looks like so much, it looks so much like the Laura Mercier translucent powder, like the packaging itself. I'm going to show it to you guys. So this is how it comes with. This sponge is really good quality. You can totally use it. It's that good. And you get these holes right in here where you can dispense your product. I am totally in love with this. I'm really looking forward to try this out as well. Like the packaging on this is so cool. I think looks so beautiful, and it has a banana as well on it. Like the next product that I have is this multivitamin compact powder, again from the Mina range, like the same range, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. I have this one in the shade 4, and because I could see what shade it is, like I can see the powder in here, so I picked up the same shade in my foundation just by a hunch, and this is how it looks like from inside. Just look at this. The mirror is so huge and so good quality, and so is the powder. You also get a puff, which is not as great as the other products had, but it's not bad quality either. But yeah, this is how the powder is, and I am totally digging this black packaging. Can't tell you guys how beautiful it is. Just look at that. The packaging is so sturdy. You can just throw it in your purse and you're good to go. Totally loving it. I'll just give you a quick swatch of this powder. So this is how the powder is. So this is how the powder is, and let's see if it blends into the skin. Oh my god, just look at that. Amazing. So the next products that I have is the most exciting ones, and Mina has these eyeshadow palettes. Packaging reminds me so much of the Morphe eyeshadow palettes because it's plastic, it's black, and when you open it up, you get all these eyeshadows, and you obviously don't get a mirror, which is not good, but they could have given a mirror. That would have been amazing, but I am okay with it because the pigmentation on these eyeshadows is heavenly. Like it's literally heavenly. I have used this eyeshadow palette on my eyes, like this is it on my eyes, and I've also used this brown shade to fill in my eyebrows. They're so damn pigmented. I'm just going to show you a few of the shades from this palette. Like look at that. Cool. Can you see? Those are like kind of glittery, so I am not sure. So basically what I have used on my eyes is this one in my outer V, and this one on my inner V, and this one, this color on my inner corners, the shine that you can see. So yeah, this is pretty much what I have on my eyes, and I'm so in love with this. Like this color is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. I hope you can make that out. This color is amazing, and they have like really awesome pigmentation. They do not have any fallout. They're very creamy. They're just awesome. So this is in the shade B that I have took for myself because I really liked this color, this green color, this brown color, and some like these nude shades. I totally loved it. It reminds me of the Maybelline Nudes palette, kind of. The other one that I have reminds me of the Makeup Revolution Redemption palette. Let me just show you guys. You would be like, yes it is, yes it is. So this is the second palette. This is in the shade A, and this is how it looks like. I'll just show you my Makeup Revolution palette and you would be like, it is exactly. So this is my Makeup Revolution palette, and this is the Meenao palette. Like, look at that. Can you see the similarities? I know it doesn't have all the colors that this one has, but it has almost all the colors that this one has, and you can just totally see how similar the colors are, and the price is, I think, just half of it, which is awesome. Like, awesome. I'm not going to swatch this one because I already own, like, I already picked up one for myself, and I already have Makeup Revolution, and I know the formulation and the pigmentation is awesome. So yeah, just showing you guys so that you can decide which one you want to have. And the third one is more towards the mauve-ish colors. It has blues and mauve and purples. I actually wanted this one in the first place, but when I saw that one, I was like, no, I want that one. This is how the third one looks like. So it has all these lavendery shades and some nude shades and some blues in here. Totally amazing palette. I also got a white eye pencil, which is really crazy because the pigmentation on that eye pencil is awesome. I could not find it right now anywhere here, but I would just insert a clip of it and swatch of it right in here. The pigmentation is awesome. It's waterproof, it's sweat proof, it doesn't smudges whatsoever, and it just holds onto your eyes for the longest amount of time, and it is total value for money. So I got that. I also got these color correcting crayons. I totally forgot to show those. So these are in six. These are available in 6 different shades. So you have the green corrector that corrects the redness, like it also mentions. So you have the green corrector that corrects the redness, and you have the orange corrector for darkness, and also you have a highlighter for under like dark circles, like it's kind of a yellow corrector. Then you have a highlighter and lavender, like a lilac, I think lilac corrector. And the last one is this one, which is to correct dark spots, and it says it's light. I'm not sure. I think these two are of the same family, and the only difference is, I think, for the skin tone maybe. So yeah, these are how they look like, and they come in 6 different shades. So yeah, that were all the products that I got from Meenao Pro range, and I'm totally in love with the eyeshadows. Like, seriously, I have never seen such a beautiful eyeshadow palette with so much of pigmentation and so creamy and no fallout and so good for the longest amount of time. So if you trust me, you would love this product. If you really trust me, you would love this product. And in fact, all the products are really amazing. Some I've tried, some I haven't. So just let me know in the comment section if you want me to see, like, if you want to see a full face of makeup using Meenao Pro products, because I almost have everything, so I can do that. So just let me know in the comment section. I would love to do the video. And yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, then give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.